Deep in the jungle, we follow instinct, not a plan. We cast our nets into the unknown and move deeper into the wild. A shot breaks the silence. Sometimes the jungle gives, but it never gives easily. Out here, nothing comes easy.
We're gonna go fishing now with one of our friends and his kid. We're gonna see how they use their net to get fish. That's basically their main food here in the village. So come and join us.
We can swim, bring the net.
So you put it to make the length of the net?
Yes.
How long do you have to leave the net in for normally when you go?
Until evening. So, if good weather, we can put leave until midnight.
And like this, it's good weather for midnight?
I hope. I hope good weather. Okay, help me open this net.
To keep the net up, empty bottles are tied to it.
This one, okay. So big.
To keep it in place, we attach rocks to the bottom with a rubber band. While setting up the net, a fish already got caught. Already catch one. What is the name of this one? Botolo.
Here, the net just stuck here,
Yes.
and then
So we try to get bigger ones than this one. Okay.
Another net is set up to increase our chances.
Yeah, we put up the net, so we're gonna have a look at it this evening or at midnight, depends on the weather. I hope we're gonna catch something, but now we're gonna continue and do some casting somewhere else in the river.
While waiting for the evening, we went with other villagers to see how they cast the nets.
Okay,
In the boat?
about this ritual, ask for permission from the old religion. This is our old religion church, a very long time ago. When we pass here, we ask from
Yes.
So yeah guys, we are on a small walk / boat ride. I don't know exactly where we're going or what we're doing, but we have a fishing net and a gun. So probably gonna try to get some food of whatever kind, but we're gonna see, so join us. Zwischen sich mal die Fachkamer alle Nein sagen und dann...
Oh ha! So balik sakit, balik kata, balik jangan, balik yang jangan. Also the sakuta. So, cheese, sakuta.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sakuta plus Toyota. The king of the fish.
Why?
Like it's come from heaven. Heaven fish.
Okay.
One. Semak.
It's like a local
Yeah.
way.
I don't know the name of the in English. Oh, but we call it semak.
Summer.
Have a good luck in your
Yes.
life. Release all the. If we release this fish, we release all the bad luck in your life.
Yes.
Both of you.
Thank
All
you.
of you. EPR. Catch, photo, release. Empty.
Empty.
Catch, photo, release. CPR. Yeah. This is different type of fish. From west you got this fish. Fish, lip fish. This
Oh.
one.
It's a vegetable fish. This time the gun wasn't used, but next evening it was.
Okay guys, we're gonna go now and take in the net. I hope we got something, but we're gonna see. But I'm quite sure because we put out 3 nets. So yeah, let's have a look.
But I'm also in the water.
Always ready. Yeah, we got nothing in the first net, but we're gonna leave it for tomorrow. But we have 2 more to check out, so probably we're gonna get something, or I hope so.
Amen.
That's better. Can I show on the camera? Oh, you? Yeah.
You show. Hey. Wow. Deep.
I want a piece of driftwood, otherwise I would be. More fish. This one is a catfish. It has spikes like here on the side, so you need to take care, otherwise gonna beak you, whatever. Okay, yeah, guys, so we got 10 fish.
10.
That's enough for a meal, I think. 2 or 3 quite big ones. Yeah, which one is the best tasting one? Which one is your favorite?
This is a very good tasty, and this type is 1 kg 300 ringgit.
Aye, okay. So if
This
you
type.
get a big one, you sell it, yes?
Yeah, 40 per kilo.
Aye. Okay, so only in Miri 300. Yeah guys, we are back. On the way back we saw a crocodile a few meters from where we put the net in. But yeah, it's a jungle, so there are gonna be some crocodiles. But we got some fish, that's all what counts.
Gunman for the shotgun.
Okay, yeah guys, so we're gonna go on a night hunt now. We're gonna see if we get something. But here in the jungle normally they eat everything with 2 eyes. So I think maybe we're gonna be quite lucky. But we're gonna see, you never know on a hunt. So let's go.
And from now, quiet.
Can I borrow the cigarette?
Ah, cigarette? Yes.
Yes.
Oh, but after you finish you give back.
Okay. Only the smoke I give back.
But this is not no.
So eat the fish boomerang.
Can also swim.
Yeah. Ninja. Turtle. Turtle.
Turtle.
Go up here, Fatah. Wait here.
Wait here.
Yeah, we found some animal prints, but so far no animals. So our guy, he went up in the forest to have a look on its own, because we are probably a little bit too loud. But yeah, we're gonna see.
Tiger frog.
Tiger frog.
What is it? Wow.
The tiger frog is common in Southeast Asia. They are nocturnal hunters feeding on small prey. Walking through the jungle, no animal crossed our path, so we went back to the boat.
So yeah guys, we shot the monkey, but it's stuck in the tree, so now we're gonna go and try to get it out of the tree. I hope we can get it, otherwise it would be a waste.
You see it?
Yes, somewhere here.
Run away. How did you run? I think he's here. Just now. Only here.
He fall on top of here, there where I shine the light.
We thought it was over. One shot. What if I climb the tree?
Oh, cannot.
Okay. But the jungle decides what happens next. And this time, it gave nothing back. That's hunting. Not always everything goes as planned. That was a misfire.
I tried to shoot, but it was a misfire. So our guy, he went up. We hear a shot. We don't know if he got him, but probably yes. We're gonna have a look. Nice.
Oi!
Tibet. Fucking nice.
What is this one?
Digga, ich will auch eins. We got some, what is the name? Some sort of cat.
Kenya call it stongao.
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 It's the one who eats the coffee and after they shit the coffee, yes?
The coffee.
So they are quite famous. So yeah, it was successful. After the monkey we got this one. Now we're gonna have some dinner, I think. Yeah.
This is a seabed cat. For most people, it doesn't look appealing as food. But in the jungle, they appreciate every kind of food they can get.
Yeah, hunt is over. we were successful. So yeah, that's enough to eat for a night, I'm sure. Let's go back.
On paper it was great. In reality, not so much.
We hate how we've been treated. We hate being lied to about prices. We hate being treated like walking wallets.
From chaos to catching our own food. This was Malaysia. Follow along for more stories like this.